Let's test this yummy looking cucumber stew and see. Wow, this is so delicious. I can't believe this is cucumber stew. Wow. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video we're going to be making the trending cucumber stew. Since we are still having scarcity of tomatoes or no tomatoes or even the tatashi and shombo, this is the options we have now. So to make our own cucumber stew, I'll be using these two large cucumbers. I'll be using about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and some peppers. As at the time of making this video, I couldn't get tatashi and shombo. That's our own local bell peppers, so I'm not using that. I'll also be adding the curry leaf. That's our Nigerian curry leaf. I'll be adding that too. So for our protein, I'll be using chicken. You can use any meat or protein of choice. For this, I'm using chicken. I'll start by cooking and grilling the chicken, but before that, I'll have to wash and cut it into smaller sizes. Next, I'll transfer the washed meat into the pot. Add some salt, a little amount of salt. I'm adding thyme, ginger and garlic powder. Together, cover and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes before adding it water. So this is what we have. This is a cucumber puree. And this is the juice I got from the I used later used 3 cucumbers, not just 2. So this is the juice I got from it. You know what? When next I'm making this, I'm not going to peel off the skin. I'll blend everything together. In fact, both the seeds. I'll blend everything together. After juicing it, it became smaller. I even had to add another cucumber. I used 3 large cucumbers, not the 2 I showed you initially. The chicken is cooked, so I'll just put it in the oven to grill and dry a bit. You can also fry this if you wish to. While the chicken is grilling, let's start making the stew. So into my dry pot, I'll add in some oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. When the oil heats up, I'll add in my sliced onion. Then I'll season it with more curry powder, ginger and garlic powder, and seasoning cubes. Then I will stir and mix everything very well. Cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes while stirring it at interval. And I'm doing this on medium heat. I'll stir it one more time, and now it is time to bring in the star of the day, our cucumber. Pour in the blended cucumber puree and then mix it very well with the stew base. Look at the color. Look at how beautiful and yummy it is looking already. I can't wait to eat this. I'll cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes before we come back to it. I'll add meat stock from the chicken we cooked earlier on. The quantity you add depends on how light or how thick you want your stew. So I don't want mine very thick, hence I'm adding that quantity. I'll also test for salt. If everything is okay, then cover and cook for a few more minutes before we add our chicken. The stew is almost ready.
Mm, 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 mm. Super, super, super. I have last to add it. My added some of my Nigerian curry leaf to take the taste of this stew to another level. You can pieces it if you want to. I see no reason for that. And our cucumber stew is ready. This is delicious already. I can't wait to eat it. Put up our gas and our stew is ready.
I already have my boiled rice by the side, so all that is remaining now is to dish it out. And here we have a delicious cucumber stew paired with boiled white rice. This was so delicious. I hope you're going to try this out. Thanks to the people that thought out this. It's really so good. I hope you're going to be giving this a try too, just as I did. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends and family so that they too can save some money from buying tomatoes, and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.